Oftentimes, we hear that we should avoid probate, but many of us may not really know why should we avoid probate. Hi, I'm Christine Matus from the Matus Law Group, and I'm going to go over 5 ways to avoid probate. First of all, what's probate? Well, probate is a legal process where the court has to authenticate your last will and they will monitor how assets are distributed in that will that you've created. There are costs involved to probate, such as filing fees, newspaper publications, and attorney fees that need to be accounted for. And probate can last anywhere from 6 months to 2 years. Knowing this, it might be best to avoid the whole probate process. And so here are 5 ways. Number 1, joint ownership. An asset can be held jointly with another person. And if that is so, typically when that first person dies, the surviving person inherits the property. For example, husband and wife. If they own a bank account jointly, and say, for example, husband dies, wife is now the sole owner of that bank account. There was no reason to do any type of probate. That asset moves directly to surviving spouse. Number 2, beneficiary designations. Assets such as a 401k, an IRA, or life insurance have beneficiary forms. Those forms allow you to designate who will receive this asset. That is a way to avoid probate because the form will dictate where the asset will go. Number 3, pay on death accounts. Oftentimes, we have a bank account where we can designate pay on death, POD. In that situation, the asset is designated to go to that person once you die. It's very important to know that they are not a joint owner on this asset, but they are a person who is contingently waiting after you pass away to receive the asset. In this way, you avoid probate because the asset will go directly to who you designate. And number 4, a revocable living trust. A revocable living trust is a tool that allows you to name someone to manage your property, and you can designate how assets are distributed. In this type of tool, you will avoid probate because you've already designated who is in charge of your assets and who will receive it and when. Number 5, giving away property. Oftentimes, we want to give away property while we are alive. We would like to gift it to them. Although that may cause some tax consequence, it's a perfectly acceptable way to give away assets, to have it transferred to a person while they're alive, and to avoid probate. You avoid probate because when you die, those assets are no longer in your name. They've already been transferred to the person you designated, and they are now the owner of that property. And there you have it, 5 popular ways where people are able to update how assets are titled or what they can do to avoid probate. If you have more questions about this, please contact our firm and we'd be happy to discuss what's the best option for you.